In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and use HubSpot's integration with DocuSign using 5 simple steps. This integration is incredibly useful for streamlining your document management processes, ensuring all your electronic agreements and signatures are seamlessly handled within HubSpot. Let's dive right in. To begin, we'll need to install the DocuSign app within HubSpot. Start by navigating to the top of your HubSpot dashboard, where you'll find the Marketplace icon. Click on this to open the app Marketplace. In the search bar, simply type in DocuSign. When you see it appear in the search results, click Install App. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your DocuSign account. Make sure you have your DocuSign login credentials handy, as you'll need them to authorize this integration. Once you've logged in and authorized, the installation process will wrap up, and we can move on to the next steps. After installation, it's time to ensure everything is properly connected. Head over to the Settings section in HubSpot. Under Integrations, you'll find Connected Apps. Here, you should see DocuSign listed. Clicking on it will offer you setup options and allow you to manage the details of the connection. This step is crucial to making sure that your DocuSign account is seamlessly integrated and everything is ready for use. Now we move on to setting up the field mapping. Within the DocuSign settings in HubSpot, you'll find a tab labeled Property Mappings. This is where you can add mappings for your HubSpot fields. For instance, fields like first name and last name can be set to autofill directly into your DocuSign templates. This nifty feature ensures that any information from your HubSpot CRM is readily available, avoiding errors and the hassle of manual entry when preparing your documents. With everything set up, you can now send envelopes right from your HubSpot records. Whether you're in a contact, company, or deal record, locate the DocuSign panel in the middle column. Here, you have the option to create new envelopes or send from a template if you've previously set one up. Simply upload your document or select an existing one, confirm your recipients, and send it off. This integration allows you to manage your signing process without exiting HubSpot, making it super efficient. Lastly, we want to keep track and manage these envelopes within HubSpot. You can easily view the status of each envelope, whether it's been sent, viewed, or signed. The beauty of this integration is that all envelope details like recipients, timestamps, and history are automatically attached to the corresponding record in HubSpot. This centralized information helps maintain a smooth workflow and ensures you're always on top of your document management. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of connecting and using HubSpot's integration with DocuSign. Following these steps will ensure you're leveraging the full potential of both platforms to optimize your processes. Thanks for joining me today, and happy integrating.